Welcome to the PCS Current News program. The topic of discussion is collaboration of Department of Telecommunications with WhatsApp. The Department of Telecommunications, DOT, collaborates with WhatsApp to enhance digital safety through the Scam Se Bacho initiative. The partnership aims to curb online scams, digital frauds, and cyber threats by educating citizens on how to identify and report fraudulent communications. The initiative includes workshops for DOT officials, telecom service providers, and field units to spread awareness about digital security. WhatsApp is working closely with the DOT's Digital Intelligence Unit, DIU, for proactive action against cybercrime and fraud. Before moving further, an important announcement. The next offline batch of the IAS GS Foundation course, Prelims plus Mains, is starting soon at Drishti IAS, Noida. The English medium batch will begin on 8th April at 6 p.m., while the Hindi medium batch is set to commence on 26th March at 6 p.m. Admissions are open. For more details, contact 8750187501. Let us talk about key aspects of the initiative Train the Trainer workshop. DOT and WhatsApp will train officials, Sanchar Sathi, and TSPs to equip them with tools to educate the public about online safety. Integration with Sanchar Sathi. The DOT aims to integrate citizen services from the Sanchar Sathi initiative into WhatsApp to expand the initiative's reach. Educational material. WhatsApp will collaborate with the DOT to develop educational content on identifying and reporting scams, with materials available in regional languages like Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, and more. Let us discuss objective of the collaboration digital safety awareness. By educating users, the initiative aims to reduce the number of people falling victim to online scams. Improving digital resilience. The collaboration enhances India's digital infrastructure while prioritizing safety and security as the country advances in digital transformation. Expansion of reach. The partnership will utilize WhatsApp's massive user base to communicate critical safety information effectively. It's time to test your knowledge. And the question is, what initiative is being integrated into WhatsApp as part of the collaboration? A. Digital India. B. Sanchar Sathi. C. Digital Literacy Program. D. E-Governance. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.